Cryptocurrency has opened new avenues for entrepreneurs to make a name for themselves in the business world. With innovative ventures such as crypto trading, blockchain-based startups, NFT creation, and decentralized finance platforms, individuals can establish impactful and profitable businesses. The rapidly growing adoption of crypto offers endless possibilities for those willing to adapt, innovate, and take calculated risks in this emerging digital economy. Guys, today I would like to discuss about the important key points that will help us to understand crypto and how to make money through crypto. So before we move on to the topic, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for watching more interesting content. Okay guys, the first most important point we need to focus on is investing in cryptocurrencies. Buy and hold. Invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others and hold them long-term, expecting their value to appreciate over time. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with market volatility. I would like to tell you about how you can trade by trading cryptocurrencies. Day trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies within short time frames to profit from market fluctuations. Use technical analysis, charts, and indicators to make informed trading decisions. The next most important key point is staking and yield farming. Stake your cryptocurrencies to earn rewards or interest by supporting blockchain networks. Participate in yield farming by providing liquidity to decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms in exchange for returns. Guys, do you know about mining cryptocurrencies? Use computational power to validate transactions on blockchain networks and earn newly minted coins as rewards. Mining profitability depends on electricity costs, hardware efficiency, and the cryptocurrency being mined. The next important point is participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales. Invest in new projects during their ICO phase to acquire tokens at a lower cost. Research the project's team, use case, and potential before investing. Okay, I would like to tell you another point that you can earning via airdrops. Participate in airdrops, where blockchain projects distribute free tokens to promote their platforms. Often, holding specific tokens or meeting criteria can qualify you for these rewards. The next key point is leveraging crypto lending platforms. Lend your cryptocurrencies on platforms like Aave or BlockFi to earn interest. Understand the risks involved, including potential borrower defaults or platform vulnerabilities. Okay, the next important point that we need to focus on is building and selling NFTs. Create and sell non-fungible tokens on marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. NFTs can represent digital art, music, or collectibles, appealing to specific audiences. Guys, do you know that you can earn by participating in blockchain-based play-to-earn games? Engage in games like Axie Infinity or Decentraland, where you can earn cryptocurrency rewards. Convert earned in-game tokens into real-world currency. Okay, the last important key point is educating or consulting on cryptocurrency. If you have expertise in blockchain or crypto, offer consulting, educational courses, or content creation services to teach others. Build a following or client base interested in learning about crypto investments. Guys, you need to understand risks and stay updated. Crypto markets are volatile and unregulated in many jurisdictions. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Stay informed about market trends, regulations, and emerging technologies to make well-informed decisions. Cryptocurrency has become increasingly important in today's financial and technological landscape for several reasons. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies provide access to financial services for unbanked populations worldwide, enabling them to store and transfer value without traditional banking systems. Decentralization and transparency. Cryptocurrencies challenge centralized systems by offering transparent, secure, and borderless transactions, reshaping how value is exchanged globally. Technological innovation. Blockchain, the underlying technology, is driving innovation in various sectors, including finance, healthcare, and supply chain management, with applications beyond cryptocurrency. As adoption grows, crypto plays a vital role in shaping the future of digital economies and investment strategies.